Your new spacious 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath gallery custom home is here. This Worthington floor plan has plenty of room for the entire family. As you walk in, you'll notice hand-scraped hardwood floors, our signature stone fireplace, and just off the open living room, you'll find the kitchen of your dreams, equipped with custom cabinetry, a built-in double oven, range, and granite countertops. The adjacent breakfast nook leads to a grand covered patio for all those fun family occasions. As you make your way into the master bedroom, you can't help but notice the high ceilings with custom architectural design. The master bath will take your breath away as you make your way into the large walk-in shower, deep garden tub, dual vanities, and a spacious walk-in closet. If you like to entertain or you just need some additional space, you can build the Worthington floor plan with an optional second floor that can be customized with a large game room, an optional media room, or a 5th bedroom and full bath. This Worthington floor plan includes a spectacular study right off the amazing dining room entrance. Gallery Custom Homes offers a variety of different floor plans. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every Gallery Custom Homes community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.